In this video, you will learn how to add a UPI payment gateway in Hostinger. Choose a UPI compatible platform gateway. Select a payment gateway like Razorpay, Paytm, or Cashfree that supports UPI and is easily integrated with your website. Create a merchant account. Sign up for a business account on your chosen gateway, then complete the KYC verification so you can get started. Get the API key or integration credentials. Access your dashboard to find and copy the required API key. Your need for the integration. Integrate the payment gateway on Hostinger. Use the WordPress plugin or the API code via the file manager if you're working for custom HTML or PHP. Enable the UPI as a payment method. Log into your gateway dashboard and activate UPI as an available payment option. Go live and test. Run a test UPI payment to confirm everything works correctly, then switch to live mode to start receiving payments. Now you know how to add a UPI payment gateway in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.